What if I told you that in 2026, some portable Bluetooth speakers can sound bigger than your living room sound system, survive water, dust, and drops, and still fit inside your backpack? Whether you want deep bass for parties, clarity for podcasts, or rugged power for outdoor adventures, today's list covers the absolute best portable Bluetooth speakers of 2026. Let's dive in. Number 6. Marshall Emberton 2. The Marshall Emberton 2 continues to be one of the most stylish and sonically balanced portable Bluetooth speakers you can buy in 2026. Designed with Marshall's iconic rock-inspired aesthetic, this speaker isn't just about looks. It delivers surprisingly wide and immersive sound thanks to its true stereophonic 360-degree audio technology. No matter where you place it, the sound spreads evenly, making it perfect for small rooms, desks, or outdoor hangouts. The Emberton 2 features a dual full-range driver system with passive radiators, producing clear mids, crisp highs, and controlled bass that doesn't overpower vocals. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 30 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, which easily lasts through multiple days of casual use. It also supports fast charging, giving several hours of playback from a short charge session. Durability is solid with an IP67 rating, meaning it's fully dustproof and waterproof, making it safe for poolside use or light rain. Bluetooth 5.1 ensures stable connectivity and low latency, while the simple multi-directional control knob makes playback intuitive. While it doesn't focus on extreme bass, the Emberton 2 excels in clarity, balance, and premium sound tuning, making it ideal for listeners who appreciate refined audio and iconic design in a compact form. Number 5. JBL Charge 6. The JBL Charge 6 stands out in 2026 as one of the most versatile portable Bluetooth speakers ever made. It's designed for users who want big sound, long battery life, and extreme durability in one package. Powered by JBL's latest Pro sound tuning, the Charge 6 delivers punchy bass, energetic mids, and clean highs that stay distortion-free even at higher volumes. The upgraded driver system and optimized passive radiators allow it to outperform many speakers in its size class. One of its biggest highlights is the massive battery life, offering up to 24 hours of playback depending on volume levels. True to its name, the built-in battery also functions as a power bank, allowing you to charge your phone or other devices on the go. The speaker features an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, making it perfect for beaches, camping trips, and outdoor parties. Bluetooth 5.3 improves connection stability and energy efficiency, while Party Boost support allows you to pair multiple JBL speakers for a louder, wider soundstage. The Charge 6 strikes an excellent balance between portability and power, making it one of the safest recommendations for anyone who wants an all-rounder speaker that can handle music, travel, and adventure without compromise. Number 4. JBL Flip 7. The JBL Flip 7 refines everything people loved about the Flip series while pushing performance further. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, this speaker is ideal for users who want powerful sound in a truly portable form factor. Despite its size, the Flip 7 delivers surprisingly deep bass and strong volume thanks to its redesigned driver layout and enhanced passive radiators. JBL's sound tuning emphasizes clarity and punch, making it excellent for pop, hip-hop, EDM, and podcasts alike. Battery life reaches up to 14 to 16 hours, which is impressive for such a compact speaker, and USB-C fast charging ensures minimal downtime. With an IP67 rating, the Flip 7 is fully waterproof and dustproof, meaning it can handle pool drops, sand, and rain without worry. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures reliable wireless performance, while Party Boost compatibility allows it to connect with other JBL speakers for synchronized audio. The cylindrical design allows sound to project evenly in multiple directions, making it great for group listening. The Flip 7 is perfect for students, travelers, and casual listeners who want a portable speaker that delivers big energy without taking up space. Number 3. Bang & Olufsen B-Sound Explore. The Bang & Olufsen B-Sound Explore is a premium portable Bluetooth speaker designed for users who want elegant design, durability, and refined audio performance in 2026. Built from anodized aluminum, it feels solid and luxurious while remaining lightweight enough for travel. The cylindrical design delivers 360 degrees sound, allowing music to spread evenly in all directions, making it ideal for outdoor settings or group listening. Sound quality focuses on clarity and balance, with crisp highs, detailed mids, and controlled bass that avoids distortion. This tuning works especially well for vocals, acoustic tracks, and everyday listening. The B-Sound Explorer carries an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, ensuring reliable performance during hikes, camping trips, or poolside listening. Bluetooth connectivity remains stable and efficient, while the built-in carabiner adds practical portability. While it's not aimed at heavy bass lovers, the B-Sound Explorer excels as a stylish, durable, and long-lasting speaker for users who appreciate premium craftsmanship and clean sound. Number 2. Bose SoundLink Flex. The Bose SoundLink Flex continues to be one of the best-sounding compact speakers in 2026, especially for listeners who prioritize clarity, balance, and intelligent sound processing. Bose's proprietary audio engineering allows the SoundLink Flex to deliver rich mids, smooth highs, and surprisingly deep bass for its size. This ensures consistent sound quality in any orientation. Battery life reaches up to 12 hours, making it suitable for daily use and short trips. The speaker features an IP67 rating, so it's waterproof, dustproof, and even floatable, perfect for poolside listening. Bluetooth connectivity is stable and reliable, and the compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. While it doesn't aim for extreme loudness, the SoundLink Flex excels in audio accuracy and comfort, making it ideal for podcasts, acoustic music, and everyday listening. Number 1. Turtlebox Ranger. The Turtlebox Ranger is built for one thing above all else: extreme outdoor performance. In 2026, this speaker is a favorite among adventurers, off-roaders, and outdoor professionals who need a speaker that can survive harsh environments. The Ranger delivers incredibly loud sound with powerful bass, easily cutting through wind, engine noise, or open outdoor spaces. Its rugged construction is designed to withstand drops, shocks, and heavy use, making it one of the toughest portable speakers available. Battery life is optimized for long outdoor sessions, delivering over 12 hours of high-volume playback. Bluetooth connectivity remains stable even at longer distances, which is ideal for outdoor activities. While it's heavier than typical portable speakers, that weight translates directly into louder output.
Number 7. Bose SoundLink Max. The Bose SoundLink Max is designed for listeners who want bigger sound without sacrificing portability in 2026. It delivers a powerful and immersive listening experience, combining deep bass with Bose's signature clarity and balance tuning. The upgraded speaker drivers allow it to reach higher volumes, while keeping vocals clean and distortion under control, making it suitable for parties, gatherings, and outdoor use. Battery life reaches up to 20 hours, ensuring long sessions without frequent charging. The SoundLink Max features a rugged, water-resistant design, allowing it to handle splashes, light rain, and everyday wear with confidence. Bluetooth connectivity is strong and reliable, with support for seamless pairing across devices. Despite being larger than compact models like the SoundLink Flex, it remains easy to carry and well-balanced in hand. Overall, the SoundLink Max is a great choice for users who want premium sound quality, strong bass, and higher volume output without stepping into bulky party speakers.
So, there you have it, the best portable Bluetooth speakers of 2026, covering everything from rugged outdoor monsters to refined premium sound machines. No matter your lifestyle, there's a perfect speaker waiting for you on this list. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and comment below which speaker you'd choose. See you in the next one.